Hello guys, from sunny Sandefjord we're gonna try to catch some fish and find some seafood. That's my fishing spot. Whew. It's not easy to get here. Let's try to catch some fish. I don't remember the name of that fish, but that's one of 5 poisoned fishes in Norway. Maybe I am wrong and it's not that poisoned fish. If you know that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. I catch one more strange fish. Not good, not good. Haven't catched any big fish, only 2 small fishes, and I'm getting hungry. Maybe it's time to go and eat some oysters. Oh, yeah, at last. God, that's my lunch. Woo! And that's the spot. It's time to jump in the water and find some oysters. Water is really cold, so it's a good sign. It means our oysters will be fresh. Over. That's empty. All right. What a huge oyster! It's double oyster. I found some, but it's not that many this time. People eating all of them. Water is really cold. It's good. So fresh. Collecting for the lunch. So it's time to make some food. First we're gonna start with lighting up our cooking stove. We're gonna start with mussels. First we're gonna fry some onion and garlic on oil. Mussel stock will be our sauce for the fish. While we're frying onion and garlic, I'm gonna prepare a really easy and simple salad. It's gonna be fresh asparagus, Norwegian asparagus that I bought on the way here, some fresh tomato and some pesto sauce. So let's cut everything and mix it. Vegetables are ready. Time to add their mussels. Add some beer. And I'll cover it. Then you're gonna mix with cream and it's gonna be our sauce. Now salad is ready. It's time to prepare the fish. I'll take out the skin and cut it into 3 small pieces. Every fillet. So sauce and salad is ready. It's time to fry fish. We're heating up the pan and fish, and we can fry the fish. Some butter. During that time I'll mix my salad. Right, fish is almost ready. So first I'm gonna plate some mussels. Fried cod, salad on the side, and some pine shoots. Give sourness. Some sauce on the top. It's time to eat. I spent a lot of time catching that fish, so see, it's time to find a place to sleep. So house is ready, chill zone is ready, my sunburn is ready, time for food. This is why it's difficult to find oysters today. Somebody ate all of them. Bastards. How is dinner without starter? Cheers. So, dinner is ready, time to eat, time to drink and sleep. See you tomorrow, guys. So today in the morning, I met one of the locals living here, Bambi. Really nice person. Now it's time to make a breakfast. Good morning from a breakfast restaurant. Time to eat and make some new plans. Breakfast is ready. It's time to eat, chill a little bit and then go home. Sunny fun, sun. We're gonna welcome from habitat and man it from time to find the fern sprouts.